Got a tax notice in the mail? Ugh. Here's how to handle it. Hi, it's Leslie at Gusto, and today we're going to talk about what to do if you get a tax notice in the mail. Number one, don't freak out. Many notices get sent out every year that are just informational. They come from the IRS and state agencies, and they send out tons of them. But it could be something a little more serious, and that brings me to my next point. Number two, read it. Front to back and back to front. It's important to understand what the notice is asking you to do and to take any action required. Number three, figure out who the notice is from. Many notices come from the IRS, but some can come from state tax agencies, such as withholding departments or unemployment departments. Number four, what is the notice asking you to do? Many notices are often just informational, something that you need to keep for your records. But sometimes you actually have to take an action, like change your tax rate or maybe pay some taxes you owe. So figure out what the notice is asking you to do. And number five, check with your CPA. It is always best to check and make sure that you handle the notice in the right way. So what are some common notices? The first one from the IRS that's really common is a deposit schedule change. The IRS assigns you a deposit schedule for your federal income taxes, but if they need to change it based on the taxes you've been paying, they'll let you know via a notice. The second one is a refund or an amount due. So you may owe some money to a tax agency, or you may have overpaid and you're getting some back. Either way, it's best to check with the agency and make sure what you're seeing reflects your records of how you've been paying taxes. And that's it. That's how you deal with getting a tax notice in the mail. Got small biz questions? Ask Gusto. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to quickly learn how to become a payroll pro.